We all love our feline friends, but busy workdays can leave them feeling a little bored and lonely. Today, we're going to share 5 hacks to enrich your cat's life while you're working, ensuring they stay happy and engaged. Our first hack is interactive toys. These keep your cat mentally sharp and entertained. Puzzle feeders and treat dispensing toys are great for this. They make your cat work for their treats, which is not only fun but also mentally stimulating. Our next hack is the window perch. Cats are natural observers, and a window perch gives them a front row seat to the outside world. It's like a live cat TV. They can watch birds, people, and all the interesting activities happening outdoors. By the way, cats enjoy basking in sunlight, so providing access to a sunny spot or a window with natural light is beneficial for their well-being. You can learn more about cats, their behavior, and what it means by following the link under the video. Cat trees are hack number 3. These multi-level structures provide exercise and entertainment. Cats love to climb, scratch, and perch up high. A cat tree allows them to do just that, keeping them physically active. Hack number 4 is cat grass. Cat grass is a type of grass that cats can nibble on, providing them with a natural source of entertainment and helping with digestion. Especially if your cat does not go outside, it is very important to make a corner of nature in your house. Our final hack is comfortable bed. A comfortable bed or blanket in a quiet, safe area gives your cat a cozy place to relax and feel secure. Especially if you work during the day, for cats the day is sleeping time, so a comfortable and cozy bed is a must. Thanks for watching, and we hope these hacks bring more joy to your cat's life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cat-loving content. See you next time on HD Home.